now we are going to have a look to our HMI. First of all, I'm going to start my runtime, for example. So you see, we have when you are coming to HMI designing, you have, for example, on your screen a pump, you have the valve, you have a tank, you have the high level and the low level. From this screen, you have to be able to start your system, okay? And then all the basic necessary information. For example, when you are going to say, I will start my system, you have to know your pump is turning. But beside this, if you want to use a pump, you need more information from a pump. And I have used also, for example, in this corner, a slide. When you are opening the slide, you will have second screen, and you will have some more information about your pumps. At which speed it is running, it's a stop, default, ready, and you can start manually, start, stop, or reset. And you can also here choose to run your pump in automatic mode or manual mode, right? And also the source water, it should be and you should know you have source water, it's ready. Otherwise, if the source water, you do not have a source water, it's not working, and you will start your pump and you do not have a security component, and it will start without water, and in 2 minutes your pump will be hit, and it will the second time it will leak water or liquid, okay? So that's why you have to use, for example, a logic. If it's turning dry, you have to have a sensor somewhere. If the sensor doesn't sense a water in 2-3 seconds, it should shut down the pump automatically, right? And for example, for the tank, I have also here 2 buttons. I have just prepared them basically, but you can put some more information, some more commands, some more information on this button. So whenever I click on details, there I will open a pop-up screen, and this pop-up screen I will have some more information about my tank, So the currently volume, the low level, the high level, and the temperature the temperature of the water inside your tank. For example, if your installation you need a certain temperature of water, so you have to have the information on your HMI to have the idea whether you can use the water which is inside the tank or not, right? And with this screen, the pop-up screen, you should be able to start or stop your pump as well, your filling pump as well. But it's very necessary to have a lot of information on your HMI screen, right? And I have also a second button, manual. So when I will click on it, I have just put 2 buttons on it. When I click on the low level, you will see the low level is turning. The low level is activated. For example, if the high level activated, the pump goes off and the tank is full. So you will have the information. Okay. So you know when the low level is activated, tank low, and the pump commands goes to it will be stopped. Okay, so now I will say, okay, I will have some water. I have some water, and the pump gets a command after some seconds to turn and to fill my tank to high level, right? Okay, so now what I'm going to explain. So yes, and also on your main screen, you have to have also some basic alarming like the sensor fault. You know, an HMI has to be full of information about your system. And in the upcoming videos, I'm going to concentrate more about the HMI designing and how to get the information on your HMI and which information you need on your HMI, and also how to protect your information. For example, you have your HMI on your machine, and this details button, it should not be for everyone, right? Because in this pop-up screen you have some critical information or some critical buttons, which is not some people who are not informed about the problems about the machine fully, they should not be able to start this pop-up screens, right? And that's why we are also going to put some security, and we are also going to um, declare some user login and so forth. So if you are not still subscribed to this channel, do not forget to subscribe. In the upcoming video, we are going to build this HMI and even more information about our system. We will put on our HMI, and we will have a fully we will try to focus us on uh, making professional and more advanced and secure, safe and secure HMI in upcoming videos. So do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Even you can write a yes on the videos, and it helps a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, if this information is good or valuable for you, so subscribe to this channel. We will get to next sessions.